Suimo is absolutely, can't help it, exploded in price. It's killing it. Guys, welcome back to cryptogains. I want to drop a quick video on this because it was only about a day ago, or it's been about 2 days since, I shared this to the Patreons yesterday, trying to get up as quick as I can for the next video to talk about this. It's at 169k cap. Now that seems tiny to you because it is. It's incredibly tiny. But for those that were paying attention to the video that I shared, this one here, 2000x potential, especially if you was a Patreon, because look at this, right? I shared this in my alpha class because I do these elite sessions for the Satoshis, the highest tier. Look at the market cap. It was an 8k cap. You can see it right here in the middle, right? So you work out the multiplier. And I saw, as soon as I shared it, they were just hyped for this straight away because they were telling me to refresh. I just see like 8k. I refreshed. They went to like 40 flipping thousand. Well, yeah, $40,000. No. K, market cap. I know what I'm talking about. Let me take a look at this. Where is it right now? Now this is fluctuating because 1 minute it's 180, then it's 160. It's 171k cap. If you take 171,000, well, this is 160, it's changing. 171,000 divided by 8,000, because this is the cap. What I shared it at. Put the 5,000. It's right now already had a 21x within 1 day. That's 2,100% move up. How many coins have you seen in the crypto space do a 20x in 1 day? This is why I like playing with these types of memes, but they're hard to find. They're incredibly high risk. If you want to buy some, not financial advice, put what you can afford to lose. It is extremely high risk. I'm making sure you can see me. It could fall to zero. But I think, and I think they're updating the deck screener because a nice little picture of Suimo. It's so flipping cool, man. I seriously believe this could be up there. And when I say up there, I'm talking, Hippo, Blub. Now let's just grab up Blub real quick. I want to, because this, you have to compare Suimo to the next best thing in water on the Sui chain, which is Blub, which is Hippo. These kind of memes here. So you got Blub sitting on this is Dex Tools. Let me grab from Dex Screener. For some reason, Dex Tools doesn't show a lot of Sui stuff, which is a bit rubbish on their end. Hopefully they update themselves. Guys, you are still incredibly early to this. I'm going to bring a price prediction video because I seriously believe, this is kind of giving away the price prediction and what I think, but I want to show you with what, the way I do it. We got Blub here at a 35 million market cap, which is a fish. Shows that fish types of memes can blow. Because this is sort of like, everybody knows the face, but it's unique in a sense because it's blue and it's using Suimo instead of Nemo. And it's every time I feel like this could be up there with this. I think that it could shock a lot of people because it really could go into the multiple millions. So when you look at 166k cap, 10x from now, I'm going to show you how early you are. 10x from now is 1.6 million. 100x from now is 16 million. If you put $100 today, not financial advice, do what you want to do, it turns to $10,000. If it goes to 16 million, half the market cap of what this is, which is 35 million. Because if Suimo can, come up to where Blub is, which is 35 million, both being a fish type of, meme on the Sui network, divided by 106, what's the market cap right now? Let's have a look. 166k, 166,000. We are talking 210 times your money back. Something like a $200 investment if you buy now, and let's just fall a little bit more, turns to 42 grand. When you hear them stories of people being like, I made money in crypto, yeah, I only put $200 and it's now like 50 grand. It's because they're buying memes like this at this kind of price. People that got in and made massive gains on Pepe, me being one of them, we just got in really early. If you was in my VIP group, people buying at a 4 million market cap. I was buying a bit higher, but I still made crazy gains, best believe. I'm feeling this. Because I know this is becoming a CTO, because the founder dumped his tokens, or she, whoever it was. Have they backed up this website yet? Because it's such a clean website. I think it's good to back it up, or just make something just as good, just in case have it on standby just in case. Because I like Suimo, and I think it's got the mad potential, and I want to continue to share this with you guys, and we can watch its journey. See if it can get into the millions. And if it does, just like when I showed you DiCaprio, do you remember that? I practically showed you this, sort of like the sizes of what, because DiCaprio, I shared it at an 11K cap. DiCaprio went to 20, 30 million. So I'll grab DiCaprio up another time. It went to 20, 30 million. And I feel like this could go the same way, just like what this is, 35 million. Hippo, like I said to you before, is sitting on, why ain't it showing me Hippo? Why ain't it searching it? Here we go. Hippo's sitting on 105 million. So this is just showing you how incredibly early you are to this. So if we take 105 million, what kind of multiple gains can you see if it goes there? Let's have a quick look. There's your 105 million. Divide it by 161,000, because that's what Suimo is right now. We're talking 652 times your money back. A $200 investment, you are made. Hold on, did I do it right? I did it wrong. Hold on, 652x. Let me go back. It was 652x. You times it, not divide it. Times it by $200. 130 grand. What would you do with 130 grand? I don't know if this is going to go to 100 million. Maybe. I feel like it could. I feel like for any type of meme on the Sui network right now, this could do it. So I'm going to leave it here, short, sweet, and simple. I'm going to bring a price prediction on this. Well, just it's good because it shows you. You'll know if you stick around. And actually, tell you what, if you want to see another meme just as good as this that can probably move, yeah, watch the next video that's going to come, because it's going to be a powerful one. You're going to want to see it. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
Never be defeated.